Application of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle C is an acute angle. Seg AD perpendicular seg BC. Then prove that AB square equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2 times BC into DC. In triangle ABC, here angle B angle C is also acute angle. Now here AD is perpendicular to the side BC. So here major angle ADB and major angle ADC is 90 degree. Therefore here these two are the right angle triangle. In triangle ADB, major angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Equation number 1. In triangle ADC, major angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Therefore AC square equal to AD square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now here we are finding the value of AD square. Therefore AD square equal to AC square minus DC square. Therefore AD square we are writing here AC square minus DC square. We are taking this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 means we are putting the value of AD square in equation 1. We get AB square equal to AC square minus DC square plus BD square as it is. Now AB square equal to AC square minus DC square. But from the figure we have to say that BD equal to, see the figure, BD equal to BC minus DC. Again BD equal to BC minus DC. Therefore we are writing here as BC minus DC bracket square. Instead of BD we are taking BC minus DC because point D lies between B and C. Therefore AB square equal to AC square minus DC square plus BC square minus 2 times BC into DC plus DC square. Means what we are doing here, AC square as it is, DC square as it is, and squaring this bracket. We are using the formula A minus B bracket square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Therefore AB square equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2 times BC into DC. Now example number 2. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is obtuse, that is obtuse angle, seg AD perpendicular seg BC, and here D dash C dash B. Okay. Then prove that AB square equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2 times BC into CD. Here angle ACB is the obtuse, that is obtuse angle, and here again like the previous example, here there are 2 right angle triangle. First right angle triangle is ADB and second right angle triangle is ADC. By using Pythagoras theorem in both the triangles, you can solve this example on your own way. Apollonius theorem. In triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Now here M is the midpoint of side BC, and in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side BC. We have to prove that AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Sometimes it may be as AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AM square plus 1 upon 2 BC square. It may be the another question for this. Given in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side BC. To prove AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Construction: draw seg AD perpendicular seg BC. Now here there are 3 right angle triangles. First right angle triangle is triangle ADC. First you have to use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Then again for right angle triangle ADB, and third right angle triangle is ADM. These are the 3 right angle triangle. Or in all these 3 right angle triangle, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Then you have to add AB square plus AC square. Then you will get, by solving, the result as AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Thank you.